sympathizing. There's a patronizing and sympathizing in the India today. As India we is in the 21st century, we believe the 40 years running in the Indian country, but still do the Indian citizen has that right to sustain in their own state, in their own country. Now I'll speak to someone from the Vidarbha. So tell us the motive of this rally, and that is the motive of the Vidarbha.
Yeah. Our demand for separate state of Vidarbha is quite old. We have been demanding Vidarbha for the last 1 century and more 5 years. In Vidarbha, although we are part of Maharashtra now, there are almost 35,000 farmers committed suicide. There are absolutely no jobs in Vidarbha, no industrialization. Farmers, peasants, the tribal, they are the worst sufferers. We were never a part of Maharashtra, but on 1st of May 1960, we were resettled to Maharashtra. Our demand is that we are resisting, so we should be separated from Vidarbha in order to stop the farmer suicide, in order to get employment for our children and for the bright future of tribals. So therefore, we have come to Delhi. We have written to the Honorable Prime Minister several times that please give us some time and give us audience. But he has refused to meet us. He has not sent any communication from his office, not even the State Home Minister or the Home Minister. So therefore, we are protesting against it, and we all have joined hands with the NFLS, that is the National Federation for Few States, and we all are in Delhi today. From here, we'll march up to the Parliament House, and there we will stage a demonstration for the entire day.
And it's very patronizing thing. Home Minister has refused to meet the Vidarbha. This is how the Indian citizen has failed to fight for their own identity, for their own rights, for their own constitutional right. And I'll get back to the Stalin Inti, who is a very old friend of mine since the KSF, and I was in TSF. I'll talk to the Stalin Inti. Stalin Inti moved all the way from Guwahati yesterday, and he reached yesterday. And I spoke in the morning also. He was very keen to know and keen to work and keen to come up in the rally. Stalin, tell us about the way you come up from the Karbi Anglong to Delhi. What is the main motive?
Our main motive is to achieve autonomous state, because Karbi Anglong has demanded autonomous since the late 60s, but the government has denied us. So we came together with the National Federation of New States to success our demand.
I spoke with the Stalin Inti, and I'll get back to see the more footage across the people. I have seen the many the poster cameramen who are trying to the poster.
I am Advocate Neeraj Kandewale. मराठी वेगळा विदर्भ करता सर्व विदर्भवादी आज दिल्लीमध्ये एकत्र झालेले आहेत. याआधी आम्ही माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय आणि देशाचे जे गृहमंत्री आहेत त्यांना मागणी केली होती.
Equivalente.